Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday. Yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. Another project finished on schedule. Our clients decided to relocate, and where better than the beach in Fountainstown. This beach house is in need of some serious repairs. With a G rating, that's the very lowest you can get. All the features in this home, the doors, the lighting, the wiring, everything are day one features. You can see as we come into the kitchen, it's so dark with no connection to the back garden. Under the stairs, we've got another door. We've got that round handle, the oldest feature you can get, and this leads us into the room. You can see our ceilings. There's a lot of demolition work here. Where do we begin? Behind this door, the beach house offers its best views. We've got to make sure to incorporate this into the new design for this home. The beach house ended up getting fully demolished. We're confident that our new design will keep some of the existing features. This staircase is what makes this design work so well. It's so wide, but it's so inviting. It leads us straight up into the bedrooms. On the left-hand side, with some very clever design, we've now got the best view in the house. All that energy from upstairs comes spilling straight down into the living room. This is the original wall of the house, and it really brings good character to this new home. On this level, we've got two bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. The biggest goal in this design was the ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. Let's take a look. This is a very clever design in the walk-in wardrobe. We've got lots of low storage, medium storage, but the question is, how do we reach all that high storage? Very easy. We just pull this handle down and all your clothes come down to meet you. And to put clothes away, just one push up, and it's as simple as that. It's crazy when you think back of the original bathrooms and today you look at the luxury of this home. And behind this door, we've got a home office studio. Behind these two doors, we've got a guest bedroom, and behind this door is the main bathroom for the house, but with a bonus. And with one simple turn of a key, this turns into an ensuite bedroom. And this brings us straight back into the hallway. Behind us, we've got a really cool kitchen, dining, a big pantry, and a sliding door that leads us straight into the garden. With this big door open, it becomes an extension of your kitchen, giving you a big pantry and most importantly, lots of utility space. The energy and flow in this kitchen works really well. With that big corner glazed unit connecting you to the outside, the grass is at eye level. If you look hard enough, you can actually see it grow. What a dramatic change for this family. Fountainstown Beach is a thing of beauty, and I believe this home complements that in every way.